So today let's talk about why some businesses run ads. Like you see ads on Instagram, you see ads on Facebook, you see ads on every freaking social media out there. And like why do they have to run ads? So why you need to run ads? Like some businesses, you whichever ads you see are for selling, right? People are trying to sell you something via ads on social medias recently because uh, traditional marketing, big brands who can afford TV commercials and all have a different mindset, and they understand what I am going to talk in this video. So problem is, people either sell something that people need, they want, people like their customers want. Yeah, so people have customers. Those businesses which have customers make something that people want, they get it, and that customer is not like regularly connected with the person selling or the business that's selling that product. Like you can see about drop shipping that's done recently. Drop shipping is getting noticed by everyone nowadays, and most of them are trying drop shipping. I also tried drop shipping and I messed it up. So uh, drop shipping is one. Say print on demand. Yeah, I tried print on demand, I didn't try drop shipping, it was print on demand. And many other things, like that is just the product is given and the reselling sort of thing. So that's what people do when they have customers and they need to run ads to reach out to the potential customers. After that, some businesses have fans, so they need to invest in marketing and advertising for new products. Whenever they launch a new product, they need to tell it to people via marketing or advertising. Like Apple has a fan base, and it also has like, but not everyone that owns Apple is following what they are doing on the regular basis. It's just like they like the product, and yeah. So the businesses which have fans, they kind of sell what people love. That's the way you can put it. People love having an iPhone, and if Apple is going to launch a new product, they will probably have a marketing campaign that can like tell people about the new product in a better way. uh, we as small businesses can't run that big campaign, and we can't afford to lose money on cold prospecting ads, right? So what you need to do to have like what do you call it, you don't need to run ads, and still you can have people looking for your product or your service. So for selling, rather, you don't need ads. If you see, if you're having a customer base, you need to run ads for them to know your product is ready for them to be purchased. If you have fans, you need to run ads to tell them that the loved product is coming on the stocks. But if you don't need fans and if you don't need customers, what do you need in order that you don't need to run ads for marketing purpose or like selling purpose? Specifically for selling, you don't need ad if you have a audience base. That's what most of the YouTubers are doing. They have audience, and then they can just put out links about those things and talk about those things, and uh, people buy from their links. and they get the commission, or maybe they get the, what you call it, if they are selling merchandise, they'll get the share out of it. So that's how things work when you have audience. And audience can be created doing one thing. You can collect like people with audience. Why audience? So rather, let's first think about why audience. Why, how audience can help you to make a sale without running ads. uh, Audience pay attention to whatever you're saying. And when you're paying for ads, you are paying for the attention of the prospect. When someone's paying attention to what you're saying, when they are eager to uh, know what you're coming up with next, you have their full attention, and you can use it to sell whatever you want in uh, coming period. So you don't need to have to run ads if you have an audience. And how to, okay, this will, let's stop this video over here, and I'll explain in depth about how you can create audience, not create audience on Facebook ads and all, how you can create audience, what you need to do in order to create audience, so that you don't have to spend money to make them buy. So let's end this video over here, and next video will be in depth of how to gain audience.